Good day! Today, we'll talk about the relevance of biochemistry in agriculture. Biochemistry is the science that studies the chemical processes in living things. In farming, it helps us understand how plants and animals function at a molecular level. By applying biochemical knowledge, we can improve plant growth, animal health, and soil fertility. In short, biochemistry serves as the bridge between science and agriculture, making farming smarter, healthier, and more productive.
With the help of biochemistry, it reduces crop losses, increases harvests, and promotes sustainable agriculture, which benefits both farmers and consumers. For example, BT corn was developed using biochemistry. It produces natural protein from Bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis to kill insect pests. Next example is the neem extract. This is the alternative for the neem extract. This is the lemongrass, which can also kill some insect pests, but generally it repels insect pests. Another example is golden rice, a genetically modified variety enriched with beta-carotene, which helps prevents vitamin A deficiency in humans.
Biochemistry plays a big part in helping plant growth and development. It explains how plant absorbs nutrients, produce energy through photosynthesis, and respond to hormones that control their growth.
Another important role of biochemistry is to protect crops from pests and diseases. It helps us understand how harmful pests attack to plants and how plants naturally defend themselves. With this knowledge, scientists can make eco-friendly pesticides and disease-resistant varieties of crops.
Biochemistry is not only used for plants, but also for animals. It helps us understand how animals digest food, uses nutrients, and fights off disease. Through biochemical studies, we can produce better feeds, vitamins, and vaccines that improve livestock health. Healthy animals mean better production of milk, and eggs, helping farmers earn more and provide people with nutritious food.
In conclusion, biochemistry is a foundation of modern agriculture that helps to improve plant growth, protect crops, and enhance animal production. This science ensures that farming more becomes efficient, sustainable, and environmental friendly.